Hi, welcome to my channel. I've lost 180 pounds with keto, carnivore, and counting calories. Don't forget to check the description to this video. I have links to some of my popular videos, a link to my Amazon account for a lot of things that you all ask about. Don't forget I have a bunch of playlists on the homepage of this channel. Thank you. Hey, I've been thrift store shopping, so let's go through all the stuff that I got. I'll do it by store. Our women's safe house had a sale. Everything was $1. So I spent $24. Of course, that means I got 24 items. And then the men's thrift store, I think my total was $21, but they weren't having a sale. But anyway, I'll break it down and show you which one I got. So keep in mind, I'm still a hot mess. But anyway, I do not have my special shirt on. You know, my, whatever it's called. I do not have that on. So something is poking me back here. Oh, it's the one on my tag on my jeans. Anyway, I don't have my special shirt on because I'm not putting that on and just to try on clothes. So, and now this is, I say the men's store, it's called Teen Challenge. So it's men and young men. I think maybe there's women that do it now too. I don't know. And I don't have my good bra on, but I don't care. It's just you guys. So I got this shirt. I thought this is a cute shirt. And then I got these jeans. They're Gloria Vanderbilt jeans. So all the things I'm about to show was 21. This isn't to wear together because this is shorts and this nice shirt. I'm just putting it on so you can see. But I thought this was a cute shirt. It's kind of got fun detail. And so the men's thrift store has stickers on everything. One of the things was a blue tag. I'll post what the colors are. So, and then everything else was a red tag. So I will slip in here. Here's the prices of all the colored tags. A picture of all the tags and what their price amount is. So I think the blue tag, it was the jeans and everything else was a red tag. So yeah, this shirt I got, and I'm just going to keep the shirt on for everything else. I needed some sleep shorts. Some shorts to wear around the house or to walk the dogs. So these are some shorts. Okay, so I lied. I went ahead and put this t-shirt on because the other three things are like workout pants, short type pants. So these are some capris I got so I can, since I'm trying to get back into the gym, these are some things that I can wear to the gym and know that I'm covered up and my girly bits ain't hanging out or nothing. So these are some capri shorts that I can wear with the t-shirt over. Here's another pair of capris that I can wear to the gym. I tried on all of Leslie's mediums, but they're not stretched out at all because she's so small. So I had to go pick up some more. But all these three pants are size. They're large, stretchy pants. So they've been stretched out a little bit, which is what I need. So there's some more capris for the gym. These are yellow tag. They're more snug. I don't know. Again, you'll have seen what the tags mean. But these are yellow, so these are definitely more snug. But they feel like they're a little more strong, tightly woven. So that's all the stuff from the men's safe house or the men's thrift store Teen Challenge, and that's all stuff that I got for $21. I'm gonna keep on my t-shirt because I'm gonna tell you where I messed up at the women's safe house thrift store. I should have looked at their jeans. Literally everything was $1. Didn't matter if it was originally $4. Like dishes, all the stuff was $1. I really should have looked at some of the dress pants and the jeans, but I have plenty in my closet, so yeah, so I didn't. But these, of course, like I said, I don't care what they look like underneath. We're just looking for stuff I can wear around the house, like capris, or wear to the gym that I'll have a long shirt over. So these are a pair I got for $1. This is another pair I got for $1. So again, walking the dogs or just bumming around the house. So some capris for the house or gym. These still have the original tag on them. BCG. I don't know that brand. It's extra large, but it was in with the medium stuff and large stuff. So Again, these can be good for the house. I probably wouldn't wear these at gym because they're short-waisted, so that means you're going to go, we don't want that. So, but for $1, I'll bum around the house in them. Okay, here's a pair of shorts. There's already one thing I have to return. It was too big. These, I don't know. I didn't try everything on when I was in the thrift store. But I will have my shirt on, so it'll make things fit a little different, a little smoother. But anyway, it's a pair of shorts that I picked up. Thought they're long enough that when family's in town or if I run to Walmart, I can toss them on. Use some Old Navy shorts. And I thought, these will be good. Again, in the summertime, later on, whenever I go outside to cook in my, if I want to grill or something, these will be good to wear for that. Of course, my shirts always, where's the tail? My shirts always come down anyway, so it would just look like that. All right, I got another pair of outside public shorts and then some pajama shorts. Okay, these are kind of interesting. There's a little button right here that you button. Maybe. Then there's a hole. You put your snap thing through there. Then you pull it through and you snap them. That's fun. Anyway, so another pair of shorts that I could wear when family's in town in the summer. So remember, I have like no shorts. I only bought one pair. And so whenever my sisters were in town, I definitely was wearing longer pants because I didn't have any shorts. But now I do for $1. Okay, so these are some like pajama pants, shorts type things. They're all the same kind, and they all have the tags on them, this kind of tag. I think there was only one medium, and I got 3 smalls because I thought, they're brand new, nobody's ever worn them. So even if I can't squeeze into them, maybe somebody I know can. So maybe, I don't know if Leslie would want them or not. But the brand is Universal Thread. But I thought, you know what? For $1, so this is the medium. Like I said, these are just for wearing around the house in the evening when I get home for work. Let's try the small. Okay, these are the small. And like I said, for just wearing around the house, they're just fine. They're not like squishing me or anything. And of course, I always wear a t-shirt over whatever I'm wearing. But these are the kind of things I'm wearing whenever I'm making my cooking videos on the weekend when it's hot. So that's whenever that's when I wear these things. So, all right, now let's get to the tops that I got for $1. So all these shorts and pajama bottoms, there were all of them for $1. And now I'm going to try on, I'll put on a pair of, I don't know, something. And then we'll look at all the tops that I bought. Okay, so this is a shirt. Hang on, let me come up just a little bit. This is a shirt. So when I go to the thrift store, like I said, these are all $1, so, and I'll have my thingy on to kind of tighten everything up. When I go to the thrift store, I take all the tags off, and then I just throw them in a cup, and then I dump them out, and then I put everything back in the bag that I got, and then I take it downstairs, and I throw it all in the washer together, and I wash it all. Wash it all on hot, and, just to kill off anything that came with it. So, anyway, all right, let's get to the other tops. Okay, I got this one. It's snug, and I got it to be something like, in the summertime at work, it's super cold, and I've been doing a lot of layering, like a long sleeve shirt under a short sleeve shirt. So, anyway, so this would be a good one to wear, like under a short sleeve shirt. It's kind of a gray, sparkly color. I got this one, but I think this is real tight in the arms and reaching forward. I was thinking it'd be cute with some leggings, or black pants. It's not ugly by any means, but it's just when I go to bend my arms, it's real tight. So I'm going to put this one back in the donate pile. It was just $1. That's okay. I thought this one was kind of cute. Cream color, and I like the little, I don't know, applique, beading, whatever you call it, up on the chest. I thought that was pretty. So I could wear this with some dress pants to work. This is another one I got that I could wear as a layering underneath shirt. Plus in the winter time I could wear it under my sweater if it gets really cold. But it's kind of like a little bit of a texture. It's kind of hard to pick up, but it's almost like a sweater texture, but not as thick, like a knit texture. But this would be something good that I could wear under another, like I said, a short sleeve shirt or under a long sleeve shirt. This one's pretty. I like the cowl neck. So just kind of something fun and cute to wear in the winter time. It's a little big in there, but that's all right. It's snug right here. So it would never match up. Even if I got a smaller size, it would be way too tight in the arms. But anyway, just something kind of nice and long sleeve that I could wear to a work meeting or something. This is one that I feel like I could wear with a pair of jeans. Just like, you know, because it gets so hot at work, I can wear, or cold at work, I can wear this in the summertime even. And it's lightweight enough that I'll be okay. If I get hot, I can pull up the sleeves. But I think it's a nice fit for work. This is a fun one. I like the snaps along the top, and I think this will work with a pair of jeans or even like off-white dress pants or something. Okay, there's only 4 more after this one. It's a nice long sleeve shirt I could wear with a pair of jeans or whatever, and wear dress pants to work. It's just something that, you know, kind of flares out a little bit. So I could wear this one to work in the winter time. So far there's only 2 things that I've had to put back, which is that red blouse and then some capris that I got at the thrift store. And when I say put back, I just mean I toss them in my donate pile. So anyway, here's another shirt that I can wear with a pair of jeans or even underneath a shirt if I wanted to. Okay, this one was another shirt for $1. It's got a little flare in the front. It has like a little like a pleat right there. So and I think the cuffs, I thought I felt the dealie, maybe not. Yeah, there's a thing inside that lets you roll the sleeves up and pin them up if you wanted to. I'm not going to do it right now, but you know, where you can pin them up, and so this will be like a 3/4 length shirt that I could wear in the summer or winter. I thought this was fun, the little detail of the tie in the front, and this also has like the 3/4 little hold up thing that holds your sleeves up a little bit, and just kind of has a little, like a little hem right here, and just something fun and cute that I can wear through the summer or winter. And it's got a collar. Let me fix that there. Of course, it needs to be washed and smoothed out, but thought this one was cute. I got one more. This one I got as another undershirt. I knew it was going to be too tight. It's an extra small, but the sleeves are super tight, but it'll kind of help hold my arms, hold my back wings together. But I got this one to wear as an undershirt from one of my t-shirts also. So that is my haul. So now I've got all the tags off, and now I'm going to take everything. I'm going to go put it in the washer. I've got some of my old other clothes in there now, but I'll switch them over, and I'm going to go get all these things washed and hung up. And like I said, I wash everything on hot just because you don't know where they came from or how long they've been there. So yeah, that's my haul. Okay, bye.